see how to print alphabet triangle pattern. Let's move to Visual Studio Code and execute this pattern. We can see here in this pattern, every line begins with space character. Those space characters are gradually increasing line by line from 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Those space characters are appended with alphabet characters. Here, alphabet characters are gradually decreasing line by line from 5 to 1, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Along with every alphabet, a space character is appended. So let's see code to execute this pattern. We have already seen code to print number triangle pattern. Run this file in the terminal. So in this code, modify this print statement to print alphabet triangle pattern. Here, starting from character value starting from E69 is the ASCII value for E minus J. Run this file in the terminal. This is our expected alphabet triangle pattern. In the next video tutorial, we will see another type of alphabet triangle pattern.